Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce special Android header unit for Jeep Wrangler 2011 to 2017 years. It's 10.1 inch, a very big box. Let me measure it. Okay. Let me check the box. You can check this 55 cm long and 26 this 26 and this high is 50 cm. Okay, this is very big box. So let me unbox review. Let me open the box. Okay, you will get the harness. And this dashboard kit. Come with header unit. Okay. And this is dashboard kit. Come with the header unit. It's very big. Okay, you can check. Okay, this is very big. Okay. Let me check the header unit. You can check this special Android header unit. Okay. Let me introduce the harness set first. This is 10.1 inch. Okay. This is harness and other cable. You can check this GPS antenna. Okay. External microphone. And USB to USB cable. It's radio. It's power. And this is special harness for Jeep Wrangler. Okay, and come with a canvas box. You can check Wrangler. Okay, this is AMP, power AMP, blue wire. This brake do not need to connect. This is reserve, backup camera, power. Okay. This special cable. This audio cable. This audio cable you can check subwoofer, AC tap, and this audio cable front and rear, left and right. Okay, let me check. This AUX input and video out 1 and video out 2, AV out. This camera input and video in. Okay, this AUX left and right input. This audio combo and the other wire. Okay, let me introduce the harness head unit. It's very big. 10.1 inch IPS Touch Screen. It's built in Android 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, you can check. It's back. This radio antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, microphone, GPS. This power. Okay. Let me find the special. Okay, let me connect the power cable with 12 voltage. Let me adjust. You can check it have Jeep logo. Okay. Let me check the settings. This UI and check the settings. System. About machine, you can check model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, that's all. I will do next review video. Okay, thank you.